Okay. Okay. Yep. 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 Okay. Okay, Craig, how you going? Do you need any water or anything? You sure? Can't get you a Red Bull, Powerade, Mars bar?
No.
Yeah? Okay, so for this next take, we would like the same, just a little less energy, okay? Yep. Okay, ready, people? And in 3, 2...
Welcome back to What's That Sound? Before the break, we saw Tiffany here blast her way through the silly sounds round, and we heard an amazing anecdote about pencil sharpenings from Emma, and Tom said something, but now we're on to the next round, Ear Witness News, where we play a number of audio clues that together represent a recent news headline.
Don't anyone move! Keep those cameras rolling. Greetings, mindless sheep of Australia. We apologise for interrupting your daily feed of mindless entertainment to bring you this message. It is time our voice is heard, the voice of the many opposed to the tyranny of the mass media. Our voice is Pseudonymous, and in this live broadcast, we will...
Sorry. This is a taping. It's pre-recorded.
What?
It's not live.
Shit! Do I feel like a right tit now?
Sorry. A lot of people wouldn't see it anyway. It's a public access channel after all.
Dear, dear. Oh, damn. I feel rather embarrassed if I say so myself, and I think we made a bit of a cock-up. So, what bit were you guys up to?
Ear Witness News.
Oh, I love this bit. I always play at home. Do you think we could join in?
I don't see why not. Could boost the ratings.
And here are your audio clues.
G'day. Shiver me timbers.
Oh! Is it Australia Dice Kings?
I'm sorry, but that is incorrect.
Oh! Is it Australia as Aussies are pirate game kings?
Again, incorrect.
Can I get a vowel?
I'm sorry, we're running short of time.
Oh! Is it Australia Pirates Game of Thrones?
Yes, that is correct. Congratulations, you are now the proud owner of a hot pink moped.
Thank you so much. I'd like to thank my mum, my dad, the guys who done us, you guys, Hike Up, and also I thank you guys.
Well, folks, don't forget to stay tuned for Bob's Vegan Kitchen. 21 ways to cook your cabbage. And that's all for us for this week. Good night, Australia.